Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a zoom transition in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and first of all, I'm going to add my photo to this timeline. I'm going to add or apply a zoom transition to this photo. Between this photo and then I'm going to go to the transition menu right here, and then I'm going to search for infinite transition. Just type in infinite, and there will be two options for you. You can select infinite 1 and infinite 2. This is for the zoom in eye effect, and this is for the zoom out, and you can choose the zoom transition that you want to apply. I'm going to select this one, for instance. Okay, and I'm going to check it guys. I'm going to play my video, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a zoom transition in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.